Hard start, misfire, 1.9 TDI. Let me show you something to try first. This is the actuator for the EGR cooler. Put your finger over it, push it in like this, hang on, push it in, finger over, see if it holds suction, right? If it holds suction, that's not a problem. But get yourself a little 6mm or something, right? Spanner like this. So this here is a push fit. It's like a twist fit. You can see the sides, it twists on. This centerpiece does move on a full 360, right? This ball does move on a full 360. So what you will find is sometimes, take this off first so you don't snap it. You gotta disconnect the PCV valve, just pull it off. Undo, mine's a 10mm there, but yours could be different here. Just move this back and get a screwdriver down. I've moved the air box, the air pipe out the way. Disconnect the mass sensor so you don't snap anything. But have a look at this, right? This is what you want to try. Where's my torch? I've lost my torch. Hang on, wait there. So let me show you with a torch. So the EGR actuator pulls the lever here. I don't know if you can see here. But get yourself a little spanner. Longer the better. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to get it in for you. Hold on. Let me try and find a good angle. So there, if I go slow, you'll see what I'm doing. So you just get the back of the spanner, push it over where obviously this plastic thing should go. And what you do is, you just push up and push down. It could be stiff, right? But you want it longer the better, for you should get more torque. See there? That should not be stuck, right? I pull it up. It's hard to do with my left hand, but it's seized. So basically, right, this thing needs freeing up. There, see? So it's up. So this needs a new EGR cooler, because the actuator's knackered on it. So try this on yours. If you get a long one, work it up and down loads, bit of WD-40, you might temporarily fix it. But that's the problem with this hard start. Try that first. I'll put a link below. If you happen to snap this, I'll try to put a link below to this for you. It's cheap, like £22. But like I said, the longer the better, because you can't get the torque with a smaller one. But this is what you need to be doing. That's down, up, down, up. See, I'm trying to free this up because it's jamming, and there's my problem. But you can see that yourself anyway. I hope this video helps you.